Now let me know the most important 7 benefits of growing succulents. Firstly, they can brighten our home in any climate as they have ability to grow in a wide variety of climate. They will not only add green to your living space but they will also bloom in season. Secondly, they can help to purify the air. Succulents clean air and water for indoor and outdoor environments. NASA research suggests that succulents can remove any volatile organic compounds from the air. Plants emit water vapor and that in turn generates a pumping action that pulls contaminated air down to the roots of the plant. Third, they improve the humidity of your home. Plants release water that can enhance the humidity. Increased moisture in turn can improve common health complaints like sore throat, common cold, dry cough, itchy skin. These problems can be reduced by growing succulents as indoor. Fourth, they can add fresh oxygen to the environment. Fifth, they can improve your focus. Regular exposure to nature in the form of houseplants that can help the children to focus better. If not, the child will suffer nature deficit disorder. In order to overcome a nature deficit disorder, it is best to grow the succulents as indoor. Sixth, they can increase pain tolerance. Horticulture therapy found that the patients seem to need less pain medication when the hospital is filled with indoor plants. The last, they can enhance the memory. Growing plants at your home improves the memory retention. This leads to enhanced work and school performance. So, with addition to these very important benefits, the Sansevieria, this is the best succulent, hard succulent that can remove EMFR, that is electromagnetic radiations, usually emitting from the mobiles and laptops and the desktop. So, these are the best succulents to reduce the electromagnetic radiations, and also they are the best air purifiers too. They can remove xylene, toluene and formaldehyde completely when we grow in 5 in number in a living room. And the propagation is very simple. By leaf we can propagate, and some succulents, so you can find more buddings on the plant, mother plant. Separate the bud and place it in a soil easily, that will establish. So you can find numerous of buds on this cactus. So even these are also good reducers of EMFR. So they can remove electromagnetic radiations. And also you can separate the pups from the mother plant, and you can see 2 pups. I separated the mother plant so that the baby plants can grow better. So these are the baby plants, Sansevieria baby plants, which are separated from this mother plant. And also Kalanchoe and sunrose.